afternoon everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. Another day, another unboxing. Guys, so this is it. This is the new Tier 4 Wave 6. So what we are chasing, you know already, the SE and BP or SP and MR. Okay, so basically the guarantee hit from in this booster box is the PU. The PU is like the what is it called? Like a promotion card or something, but it's not totally promo card. But that is a guarantee hit for each boxes. So hopefully we can get the a very good hit from here. So this is our first attempt of this. Hold on, why is saying it? Okay, this is our first attempt of the Tier 4 Wave 6. So now we're able to get on hand. Alright guys, so hold on. Hopefully we can get the SE. SE is a very hard to get actually in this series. So normally I watch some of the TikTok sellers. Of course, they will start in China, so the TikTok China open already. So, but it's okay. It's quite fun to watch also as well. So now it's in here. Hopefully, you will enjoy it. Okay, guys. We zoom a bit if you don't mind. All right, there you go. So okay. It's literally same as the this one is a PU, either PU, BP is the same thing also as well, and the MR. So normally okay, we will do the slow pacing because this one is quite new. At least you guys can able to glance and everything of the cards. Is SR is a very nice card actually. Alright, so this is the SR. As you can see, the foiling is very nice. SR, okay, we put in here those. This one is a PTR. Actually, it's like combinations of Tier 4 Wave 5 and the Ninja Age. So all of the back is something like this, okay? So there is a PTR. All the rare is a landscape. Yeah. Oh, Naruto. Okay. SR is the same. Sabusa. SSR. Kakashi. Nice. We have the SSR. Then PTR. Okay, so each and every packs have a PTR, right? So take note of that, guys. Alright. Sasuke SR. So from the rare card, there is a foiling already, so it is same as the tier 1, tier 2 series or tier 3 series, something like that have already. Okay, let's proceed. SR Sakura, PTR. Okay, rare card Sabusa, and okay, SR Naruto. Oh, I don't know which part of this. Oh, nice. SSR Sasuke. Okay, Gaara. The PTR is nice also as well. So there is a silicone for you to take out, so it's more glossy of the card. SR. SSR Haku. Alright, PTR. Rare card. Okay, this one. SR Sakura. SSR Sasuke. PTR Neji and Rock Lee. This one. Okay. Naruto. I forgot who is this. Okay. Sasuke. SR, I thought it's MR. It looks like MR because it's the background. Oh, PU. Our first hit is the PU Haku. Alright, we put in here, our first hit. Okay, there you go. Haku. It's more towards to the young versions of this Naruto. Yeah, for the tier 4 wave 6. So you will unable to see those what do you call this one? Teenager versions. Not so many of teenager versions. So more towards to the young versions of the Konoha's great ninjas, right? So hopefully we can pull the BP, guys. One of the chasing cards in here, BP and SE. SE is very hard to pull in this series because it's a chance only per case. Actually, it's a chance. There is no black. Apparently, okay, this one. I think this one is a MR or it's a MR or BP or PU. So let's put there first. Hopefully it's not PU, because if PU, it's a little bit of yeah, you know already, it's a little bit of lost. Okay. Alright. When they going to the mission, a long mission. Okay. Sakura SR. Teenager when tune in already, I guess. I don't know. Oh, it's a continuation. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, this one is Tsunade. Is it? Yeah, I think so. Tsunade. Okay, this one is Naruto and Sasuke. Okay, Naruto saving something. I forgot. Kids or something. SR, SS. Oh, it's the same SR. Alright, let's proceed. Gaara. Okay. Sabusa. SR Sabusa. So more of the okay, our first UR Ino. So more towards to the story from the Sabusa and Haku, this series actually. This is what I noticed because it's a lot of Haku and Sabusa. So you know already the maybe tier 6 wave 1. SR this one. Tier 6 wave 1 maybe is after Sabusa's after the Sabusa story. Sabusa and Haku SR. This one is a very nice spoiling, especially if you are holding this card personally. You will love it. Okay, you are Kiba. You will love it actually. So we have 2 UR. Hopefully it's not box. Okay. Oh, this one is Haku. It's a Haku power and Sabusa. Okay, last 2, 4, 5. Last 5 packs. So normally one box is 18 boxes. So it's a is a normal from the previous tier series of the Naruto 18. Oh yeah, the tier 4, tier 3 and tier 4 is a 18 packs per box, because before is the 20, right, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, alright, so no SP. The SP is a black color of the back. SE also is a black, so it's either PU, MR or BP. Let's see if we can what we can get. SR Haku, UR Kakashi, PTR. Okay, rare cards. It's Sasuke style. Okay, the first test for the students. SSR, Haku. As you notice, right? A lot of the Haku and Sabuza. Okay, Iruka Sensei, Tsunade, KTR, Naruto. Okay, Sasuke when help cover Naruto when Haku do the piercing gas or something. Okay, Sakura, SR Naruto. Okay, PTR. There's a bunch of the PTR cards. Actually, even the rare card also as well. SR Naruto. Like this Sensei. Oh, it's 4. Oh my god. 4 UR. I believe this one is 2 PU, guys. It's a 2 PU. Not the MR. But hopefully it's not. My goodness. Hopefully it's not. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a PU. Hey, Sasuke, nice. Not bad. Actually, it's a continuation of this one. Hey, you see? It's continuation of this. Yeah, Naruto and Sasuke and Sakura, and then in here is Kakashi. So it's a 3 combinations. 3 combination. Alright, so we got 2 PU, which is a very, very unfortunate of this pulling for today, but it's okay. It's quite fun also as well, because the PU card is a very nice with this, you know, gold signature of their character. Alright, so it's PU and it's a little bit of embossed, but this one is not embossed, but when you touch for the finish of Sakura, it's a little bit embossed, the signature from there. Alright guys, so now we have the we start the tier 4 wave 6. Oh yeah, okay, so here we go, what I am saying before, because I have the MR and the SP. Alright, so this is the MR. I'll show you guys first, so at least you have the idea also as well. So to those haven't see the tier 4 wave 6, since it's the newest, so this is the MR. Actually, the MR you can able to see from here. That is the MR. So MR is those zodiac sign. There is a zodiac sign, and it's, you see, as you can see in here, almost the same with the PU. This is the PU. And the BP also, there is a very, very identical. So you won't be, you know, you will be surprised and confused a little, because you don't know what you can hit. Especially if you are turning back of the cards is, and then, you know, when you reveal. So there is a excitement also, because you are aiming for the BP. BP is the same of this back of the card, is same as the MR, something like that. Okay, and lastly, this one of the bangers, actually, the SP. This is the SP, guys, and it's a very, very, very nice finishing and glossiness of this SP, as you can see, guys. Yeah. Alright, okay guys, as you can see closely, so this is the SP, and it's a black color from the back of the card. So it's almost the same with, it's not almost, it's the same as the Ninja Age. Alright, so the SE also is the black color of the back of the card is. Okay? And unfortunately, the SE, there is no serialized in this series. So yeah, but hitting of this SP and SE is very tough. Unlike the MR is okay, because the MR is a few cards that you can pull there in a case, in a case. But if you are aiming for the one box is literally by luck or something. All right, okay guys, so since you see already the cards of the Naruto, which is a very nice one. PU I like also as well, guys. PU is very nice. All right, so definitely we will do the unboxing again of the Naruto once we got a few once we get the card again. Yeah, all right, so if you want to see the live unboxing also, go ahead and visit into my TikTok, because I am selling also this box. All right, I am selling this box. So yeah, so thank you for watching into my YouTube channel, into my content. And if you like this kind of unboxing, especially of the latest versions of the Naruto, so go ahead and hit like, comment down below, and share also with your friends and to those fanatic of the Naruto. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed into my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to being updated whenever I'm going to update for the new new content. You will be updated also as well. All right, so guys, I'm not going to drag it anymore. And anyway, see you on my next video, and thank you for watching into my YouTube channel, and have a good day. Goodbye everyone.